Hi, I'm Eliana and I'm 32 years old. I do social media and event planning. I love to cook. I am very type A when it comes to my cooking. I love to follow everything from start to finish with the recipes. My relationship with my boyfriend, we have such a dynamic. He's very shy and very reserved, and I'm very outgoing. But with the kitchen, no, that's his space. He is a chef and a restaurant owner. It's funny how we got together because cooking was my thing. And then all of a sudden I meet someone whose cooking is really their thing. I'm gonna be a bridesmaid for the first time in my friend's wedding. There's gonna be a lot of photos taken, and I wanted my crow's feet and my frown lines to be less noticeable. I found myself buying very expensive topical creams, and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. I've had friends who've been treated with Botox Cosmetic, and I thought, you know what, now it's my turn. I made an appointment and I found out it's right for me. I wanted to know what to expect, and my doctor took the time to explain the treatment procedure as well as any possible side effects. So that made me feel comfortable. I started to notice my frown lines soften at about day 7. And it's been 30 days since my treatment, and I'm happy, very happy with my results. I can't stop looking in the mirror. I think my results are noticeable, but I don't look like I've had work done. Now I don't feel like I'm covering up my frown lines and crow's feet because I talked to my doctor about Botox Cosmetic. I didn't do this for anybody else, and I did this for me. And when I look in the mirror, I still see myself. It works. I know that millions of people have experienced Botox Cosmetic, but I had to see for myself. I'm so glad I did it. It was important to me that I could still make expressions and I can still frown and look surprised. Yes, I'd get treated again. For me, it was the right decision.
Approved uses. Botox Cosmetic is a prescription medicine that is injected into muscles and used to temporarily improve the look of moderate to severe forehead lines, crow's feet lines, and frown lines between the eyebrows in adults. Important safety information. Botox Cosmetic may cause serious side effects that can be life-threatening. Get medical help right away if you have any of these problems anytime, hours to weeks after injection of Botox Cosmetic. Problems swallowing, speaking, or breathing due to weakening of associated muscles can be severe and result in loss of life. You are at the highest risk if these problems are pre-existing before injection. Swallowing problems may last for several months. Spread of toxin effects. The effect of botulinum toxin may affect areas away from the injection site and cause serious symptoms including loss of strength and overall muscle weakness, double vision, blurred vision, and drooping eyelids, hoarseness or change or loss of voice, trouble saying words clearly, loss of bladder control, trouble breathing, and trouble swallowing. Botox Cosmetic dosing units are not the same as or comparable to any other botulinum toxin product. There has not been a confirmed serious case of spread of toxin effect when Botox Cosmetic has been used at the recommended dose to treat frown lines, crow's feet lines, and/or forehead lines. Botox Cosmetic may cause loss of strength or general muscle weakness, vision problems, or dizziness within hours to weeks of taking Botox Cosmetic. If this happens, do not drive a car, operate machinery, or do other dangerous activities. Serious and/or immediate allergic reactions have been reported. They include itching, rash, red itchy welts, wheezing, asthma symptoms, or dizziness or feeling faint. Get medical help right away if you are wheezing or have asthma symptoms or if you become dizzy or faint. Do not receive Botox Cosmetic if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in Botox Cosmetic. See medication guide for ingredients. Had an allergic reaction to any other botulinum toxin product, such as Myoblock, Rimabotulinum toxin B, Dysport, Abobotulinum toxin A, or Xeomin, Incobotulinum toxin A. Have a skin infection at the planned injection site. Tell your doctor about all your muscle or nerve conditions such as ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, myasthenia gravis, or Lambert-Eaton syndrome, as you may be at increased risk of serious side effects, including difficulty swallowing, and difficulty breathing from typical doses of Botox Cosmetic. Tell your doctor about all your medical conditions, including plans to have surgery, had surgery on your face, have trouble raising your eyebrows, drooping eyelids, any other abnormal facial change, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant. It is not known if Botox Cosmetic can harm your unborn baby, are breastfeeding or plan to. It is not known if Botox Cosmetic passes into breast milk. Tell your doctor about all the medicines you take, including prescription and over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. Using Botox Cosmetic with certain other medicines may cause serious side effects. Do not start any new medicines until you have told your doctor that you have received Botox Cosmetic in the past. Tell your doctor if you have received any other botulinum toxin product in the last 4 months, have received injections of botulinum toxin such as Myoblock, Dysport, or Xeomin in the past. Tell your doctor exactly which product you received. Have recently received an antibiotic by injection. Take muscle relaxants. Take an allergy or cold medicine. Take a sleep medicine. Take aspirin-like products or blood thinners. Other side effects of Botox Cosmetic include dry mouth, discomfort or pain at the injection site, tiredness, headache, neck pain, and eye problems, double vision, blurred vision, decreased eyesight, drooping eyelids and eyebrows, swelling of your eyelids, and dry eyes. For more information, refer to the medication guide or talk with your doctor. To report a side effect, please call Allergan at 1-800-678-1605. Please see Botox Cosmetic full product information, including boxed warning and medication guide.